To get started, first, type your search. I will search for fitness. Next, press on the extension. As you can see, you have 4 functions available in this extension. Let's use extract companies function. As you can see, we extracted the companies in this list. To extract more, simply press Add to Export List. Then, go to the next page. As you can see, we extracted more companies. Now to export this, press Add to Export List. Then, press on the extension again. Then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting the file, here is all the information we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say I want to get the reviews of this company, so I'll press on it. Then, press on the extension. As you can see, Extract Reviews is now available. Let's press on that. And there you go. We extracted the reviews in this list. As usual, to extract more, press Add to Export List. Then go to the next page. Then press Add to Export List again. Now to export this, press on the extension again. Then press Export. As you can see, here is all the information we extracted.